What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere here about a week ago, and I've told you that we have to break this 55 exponential moving average. It is this yellow line, and we have to close the candle above this level. And we basically have this movement, but right after that we have another candle that is similar to previous one, and this candle closed right at the point where the green candle was opened. And this means these two candles is showing us a rather bearish signal, because we are on a daily time frame. If we switch to 2 days time frame, I don't have this time frame so far, it will be a shooting star. It is a bearish candle, and this might indicate the trend reversal. And what to expect next? As you can see right here, we have this candle, and it was opened above the 55 exponential moving average, and for now it is slightly below this level. And we have about 21.5 hours to close this candle, and we have to keep an eye on it. If it closed below the yellow line, this will indicate that we might hit next major support at $1 mark. If we close this candle above yellow line, this means we are still bullish. So, and let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. As you can see, for now we have a total market cap of $1.74 trillion. It is a 3.76% decrease over the last day. All major cryptocurrencies are down during the last 24 hours. And let me show you Polygon. Polygon is also down for about 6.65%, and its total market cap is $6.83 billion. And its total tradable volume is a little bit lower than $700 million, and it's down for about 32%. So it is rather good that we have this low volume, and it is lower than we had previously. This means we have more chances that it is a retracement, and we have to have a slight pullback in order to gain some steam, and then we will break all the resistances that are above our current price. And it is quite good and quite healthy, I have to say. So, and let's continue with the definition of this protocol. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. And it is a 2.0 solution on Ethereum blockchain in order to mitigate the problems of scalability and the high gas fee of Ethereum network. And let me show you this article. It was published on Yahoo Finance just yesterday, and it says Polygon, the rising star of DeFi platforms. And let me quote you some information. According to the block data, Polygon saw astronomical growth in the total gross value locked in the smart contracts that DeFi protocols operate on, from just over $151,000 at the beginning of the year to over $6.31 billion today, an increase of no less than 4,178,708%. Mind-blowing increase. Further statement to the fact that the protocol's native coin is increasingly being used rather than just being speculated on is the fact that Glassnode data shows the percentage of Matic held on exchanges has been steadily decreasing from 24.6% at the beginning of 2021 to 2.27% as of August the 2nd. And it is a very good sign that Polygon is using its native token for its purposes and not for the speculations. And let me quote you this. Polygon's success can be largely attributed to how fast and cheap it is to send transactions on the network. Conducting an operation on Polygon is 100 times cheaper than on its bigger brother Ethereum, and is near instantaneous instead of often taking hours. And in my opinion, it is a very good long-term catalyst. We have this data that this token is extremely useful for the purposes of the protocol, and they have this mind-blowing increase in TVL, and this means for the long term this token could be worth much higher than we have for now. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, let me show you a sneak peek on Bitcoin price chart. And right here, as you can see, we have very good movement to the upside. From lowest support, we hit our highest resistance right here. And I drew this line about several weeks ago. As you can see, we hit it to the tick, and then we retest the 55 exponential moving average to accumulate this steam, and Bitcoin broke all the resistances, and for now it has to retest this resistance. And let me show you that it has a bearish divergence. We have lower highs on our side with the higher highs on the price action. This means we have a chances to go even lower, and we might retest these supports as well, or we might even hit the 55 exponential moving average, and by the time when we will hit it, it will be somewhere at the point of around $39,000. So we can expect this decline in price, and we can expect the same decline in price of Matic. And let me show you on 1 hour time frame that our most powerful psychological support line is right here around $1 mark, because we have several touches right here and we didn't break it for the long period of time, and we have several touches right here. This means this line is very strong support, and if we will break it, we might definitely see some lower levels. And let me show you on a daily time frame where we might land this price action. For this purpose, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and right here, as you can see, we have the level of 0.382 at around 0.98 cents, and next one is 0.5 level. It is at the level of about 91 cents. And we might hit it if we break this support. And first of all, we have to close this candle below the 55 exponential moving average. In this case, we will have more bearish signals than the bullish, and this means we might retest these levels. So, and what to expect if we will bounce from the $1 price point? Basically, from this point, if we will have a bounce with a good volume, we might hit the next resistance at around $1.19 mark, and from this bounce we might have a very short-term target of about 19%, and it might be quite a good trade if you are risky enough and if you realize that this asset is very risky because it has high volatility, and we might easily break this support and hit lower levels. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. In my opinion, we have to have a pullback in order to gain some steam to break all the resistances that are above our current price and that we have previously. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!